How to add background photo behind Instagram story. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Now, click on the option of your story. Firstly, select the background picture. You can click it or select it from the gallery. For this video, I have selected it from the gallery. Now, click on this picture icon given at the top. Select the option of photo. Now, add the picture or the video that you want to upload in your Instagram story. Adjust the size and then place it. At the top, you're going to find different features of Instagram. You can add text. Clicking on the sticker icon, you're going to get access to more features. You can add music, add filters, and once you are done, click on your story and upload it. This way, you can easily add background photo behind Instagram story. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.